morning! Welcome back to my vlog. I just prepared some tea. So we are now both have those cute jugs, and I prepared an extra tea for me next to chamomile. This was a gift of a tea order, and yeah, it's the Ronnefeld Winter Dream flavored herbal infusion with orange and caramel flavor, and it smells a bit Christmassy and wintry, and this fits because winter is back. Yeah, there's some snow, and yeah, what should I say? You know, I'm a huge fan of snow, but I was kind of going to spring now, and yeah, I was confused this morning, but it's okay. What should I say? Yeah, I like the snow. I tried the white eyeliner this morning, as you can see on my eyelid, and I chose an orange. I don't know, it was in a palette, and I was like, yeah, I can use an orange today. And yeah, it wasn't easy. I put some concealer beneath it. So I did the orange thing and the glittery thing here. I don't know if you could see it here. It's a bit glittery. And then I thought maybe it's better to work with a concealer. So I took a very tiny brush and put concealer on it where I want to have the eyeliner, and then I put the eyeliner on it. But it wasn't as easy. The eyeliner is very soft, but it's not gliding, you know? It's like stuck, but I like it. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. Yeah, I somehow like it. Maybe I tried with another color, maybe purple, or I think you can do it with every color. Yeah. So another topic. This is my breakfast. These are some frozen raspberries, and we will have some yogurt on it. Mix it and enjoy. Yeah, this is the plan. And now the battery is getting low, so we will see us later. I'm back again. New battery. So I just wanted to try the tea. Oh, this is orangey. I can't taste the caramel. It's not bad. I have to think about if I would buy a whole package, but something else. You remember this, of course, from last week, and I will make the test now. So this is my lovely, beloved chocolate from Haché. I told you this is the old version. It's called Sao Tome, and it's 73% of cocoa, and this is 71%. So I think I will start with my beloved one from Haché. It melts so nicely on the tongue, and it's so chocolatey and no fruit flavor at all. Okay, so let's see. So this is already a bit gray, and this is not as dark. It has a good melt. It's a tiny bit fruity. And I don't know if these 2% are making the difference, but it's not as chocolatey as the Hashi one. So this is no replacement for it. It tastes good. I can recommend it, but when you had this one, you don't want this. So I have to search for a better replacement. But it was a chance. As you have seen, I put some makeup on yesterday, and I used this mascara. This is a sample. The Volume Stretch de Chanel mascara 10 Noir, and this is a tricky brush. So this is a bit I show you how it looks like. It looks like this, very chunky, and it was okay. It gives good color to the lashes, but it's very clumpy and I can't remove it properly, and that's why this is going to the bin now. This is not so sad because it's just a sample. Yeah, but that's my resume for this mascara. I wanted to tell you that my hair was smelling like coconut when I was washing it on Monday, but I took 2 times shampoo and so on, and it is still smelling coconutty. It feels nice, but I don't think it looks very moisturized. It looks dry, and I don't think it worked properly. But yeah, the smell was nice. So this is my resume to the hair mask, but I will for sure use the other one, and I think I have another one in my drawer from a friend of mine, so there will be a lot more hair masks. I had some porridge for breakfast, and this is a good one. It's not so sweet. It's a chocolate porridge. So this is it from Three Bears. Finest cocoa, whole grain porridge, and I made it today with oat milk, and last time I made it with whole milk, and I think the oat milk was, because it's more watery, was better. We have, I think, 1 hour to go, then we will have some sports, some sweaty sports, and after that I will go to the supermarket. I just checked online, and at 2 p.m. the supermarket isn't as full as before or after, so maybe I am a lucky girl. And tomorrow morning I have to get very, very early up, because in one of the supermarkets there are some, they have those weekly things that come and go, and tomorrow they have some exit games, and I got one exit game from a friend of mine, and it was such fun, and yeah, I want to buy more and be Sherlock. And maybe I will go to the supermarket with a little eye makeup experiment, because I saw yesterday a video from Hatice Schmidt and it was very beautiful. So she put some copper on the outside and then she took pink on the rest of the lid, and I don't think I ever tried this color combination, but it looked very nice on her, and yeah, I want to try that. Maybe I will do it later. We are only at 77%, but I'm feeling already at 200%. Okay, so 23% to go. So this is the finished look. What do you think? Good morning! I was at the supermarket this morning, and without these. Yeah, and I bought some ice cream. So these are the standard ones, the half-baked from Ben & Jerry's. And our favorite, the chocolate fudge brownie. Chip happens! So this is chocolate ice cream with chocolate chunks and crunchy potato chip swirls. I'm not sure, I'm not a salt and sweet girl, only sometimes. But chip happens. You see, the aim was to get those exit games, and I think I got them all. So I have the Lost Island, the Unknown Flight, the Robbery on the Mississippi, and the Ghost Train of Horror. And there were some exit puzzles too. Never done that. And I bought 2 levels. So here's the level. And this is kind of a witch or wizard laboratory or something like this. So there's also a cat, and here's a cat, and some potion making and so on. And I got something on level 3, and this is I don't know. There are plants, there's a dragon. Mysterious puzzle, so I will check that out. There's some serious things going on here. Yeah, so you start the puzzle and afterwards you investigate how to escape this room. And the picture is not the same as the puzzle. I already saw this. If you see the stool here and the back of the book. The book is here. So here's a cat and there's no cat, and the book is here the other way around. So I think I have to investigate there. Ooh, exciting! We treated ourselves and ordered some steaks. So I have a filet mignon and some salad, and here is a ribeye steak. Hello everyone! It is Sunday. In the UK is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the UK. About the puzzle riddle, I haven't shown you the solution because maybe you want to buy it yourself, and that's why I didn't show it. But it was so much fun because you first have the puzzle, and then you have to find out what the riddle is. So there were 8 riddles, and then you have to find out when you know what the riddle is, how to solve it. And yeah, that was cool. I think I will end this vlog here. The sun is shining and blending me. I wish you a wonderful week. Thanks for joining my life, and we will see us next week. Bye!